Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Moctail Beauties 2017. I am Prerna here and today we are preparing chili dal bhat. It is also called Pidakam Parupu Sadam in Tamil and chili dal bhat in Hindi. So let's go with the ingredients now. So here I have taken field grams. As it is field gram season, here in our village we do many different kinds of traditional dishes of our village, and this is chili dal bath is also a traditional dish of our village. So yeah, for this we need field grams. I have removed the skin of field grams, as you can see, which is also called as Pidakam Parupu in Tamil. Onions, green chilies, garlic, ginger, cashews, and these are biryani spices: cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, pineapple flower, bay leaf, and all. I have taken coconut. In coconut also, this is the grind. I have taken coconut for grinding. In this also, I have added cinnamon and cloves, salt, coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, curd, and rice. So now let's grind coconut. Let's add in coconut in this. Okay, now for this let's add in garlic. After garlic, let's add in ginger, cashew, let's grind this. Yeah, now for a cooker, let's add in little oil. Let's add in biryani spices. Let the cloves pop in. Let's add in green chilies. But onions. Let's saute this for 2 minutes till the onion gets golden brown. So now the onions have been sauteed nicely. Now let's add in field grams or Pidakam Parupu. This is also called as chili dal in Hindi and idkin bele in Kannada. So now let's put this. Let's saute this for around 2 minutes till the raw smell of field gram goes. So So the raw smell of field gram has gone. Now let's add in grounded masala. As I said you before, I have added coconut, ginger, garlic, cinnamon cloves and some cashew for this. Now let's add this. Let's stir this well. Now for this, let's add in some turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, salt, now let's stir this. So now let's add in water. Let's stir this. Let's fry this masala for around 5 to 10 minutes till the raw smell of masala goes. The more you fry the masala, the more you get the taste. Add little water in between and nicely fry this till the water gets evaporated every single time when you keep on frying the masala. When the masala gets stick to the bottom, add little water and nicely fry this again. Then again when it gets stick to the bottom, again add water and keep on frying the masala. Let's fry this for around 10 minutes. Let's add in methi leaves. I didn't mention this in ingredients, but I'm adding it for which it gives good flavor and taste. Let's stir this well. As you can see, the masala is getting dry. Let's add in water and mix this well. Let's fry this for some more time. Now this is ready. Now let's add in curd. Now let me tell you the measurement. I have taken field grams around 3 glasses. The glass is for 200 ml of glass. In that I have taken 3 glasses of field grams, 3 glasses of rice, 6 glasses of water, 2.5 spoon chili powder, 3 spoons of coriander powder, salt 2 spoons. Salt you can add according to your taste. 1 glass of curd, 1 lemon, and some a handful of methi leaves. I'll add the measurements again in description box below. Do check it out if you have any doubts. And if you have any suggestions or comment, if you have any doubts also, do comment in comment section. Now let's add in water. I have taken 5 5.5 glasses of water because we have added the curd in this. That gives 1 glass extra water in that. If you have any doubts regarding this recipe or any other recipe of mine, feel free to ask me in the comment sections. I'll reply to all your questions. So now let's leave this water to boil. Now you can see water is boiling. Now let's add in rice. Rice I have washed and soaked for a few minutes. Let's add in. So let's stir this. Lemon. Let this boil. When it comes to a boil, let's add in 1 lemon and some coriander leaves. देखो
हाँ काट के डाले दे तभी डाले दे क्या अपने अच्छा चलता
कब सिम रखना सो
अब सिम में चाहिए वो सिम में रख ले हमने खरीद के शुरू हो गए बिसे हाँ डाला तो फिर डाला के 10 मिनट्स के 5-6 मिनट्स दम पूरा कर तो होगा खरीदता है ना वो सूख जाता है उसमें आटा हाँ बस वो सच बनाया रखा चुरा के पार के
कैमरा भाग गया क्या
हाँ
कैमरा भाग गया
अजय
बात कर क्या
सिम में 10 मिनट्स रखा लो और दम हो जाएगा
कितना बड़ा लग रहा है हाँ now let this come to a boil nicely. So now you can see this has become like curd rice. At this point we should add in coriander leaves. And let's stir this. Let's take some little amount of this and just check out if salt and chili powder is perfect or not. You can add salt or chili powder if you prefer, if it is less or anything. Now this is perfect. Let's add in 1 lemon. One lemon juice. Let's mix this well. Now let's close the lid. And keep this in sim for around 10 to 15 minutes. I kept this in a low flame for 15 to 10 minutes. So as you can see now, chili dal bhat or Pidakam Parupu Sadam is now ready. I served this with coriander chutney and raita. You can have this with pudina chutney also. So yeah guys, this is one of the traditional dish of our village. And enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share it with your friends, and if you have any doubts regarding this video or any other video of mine, or if you have any suggestions to me, you can comment below. Thank you for watching. Bye.